Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week, my YouTube paycheck. So first off, I have to say a huge thanks. If you watch my videos, I really appreciate it because without you, this cash stuffing wouldn't be possible. So yeah, super grateful for all the views and the likes and the comments and all of that because that really helps out when it comes to my monetization here on YouTube. So for this month's pay, which is actually for last month because YouTube pays out for last month, so which was December, in January. That's usually how they do it. I made $3,736. So I'm not stuffing $3,736 because I have to do a couple of other things first, but I wanted just to go over like all the, when it comes to like the real numbers for this, since all of you are the reason why I even have this money to begin with. So this is what I got paid, but I have to first put money aside for taxes, unfortunately. So I usually put aside 30% of whatever I make, and that goes directly into a savings account and just is there for me to do my taxes. So 3,736 times 30%. So I'm putting 1,120 into savings. So tax, so I'm just gonna do 1,120. This is my tax money, taxes. And then the other thing that I like to use for this money is to help pay for my rent. So I'm actually gonna put 800 since I have a little bit more, which was really nice to put towards that. I kind of split my rent between all my paydays at my full-time job and also some social media money. So I'm gonna do 800 from this for rent. And then the total that I'm actually going to be cash stuffing for this video, or I'm sorry, cash planning for this video is, let's see, subtract the tax, subtract the rent, is 1816. So I'm going to stuff 1816, which again is a really nice amount to stuff into my envelopes for the week. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so my wallet, I'm doing 180. So I usually do 170 in my wallet. And also the wallet, by the way, I get a lot of comments about it. I know, it's amazing. I love this thing. I've been using it for about a month and just like the quality is really nice. So these are on order, and once I receive them, I do plan on selling them. So, you know, because people always get questions about it. They are on order and they're coming. It just takes a bit for it to get here because it's coming from overseas. But in my wallet, I usually do 170. But this week, since I have a little bit more money, I like to give myself a little bit more when it comes to my coffee budget. So that one's the only one that's changing. But in spending, I am doing my normal $30. Eating out's getting 30. Groceries is getting 80. Coffee, that's going to get 30. And then buffer is going to get 10. So I already figured that out with the denomination, so that one is good to go. I'm going to first start off in my savings binder because I have some savings challenges that I need to account for first. So I did the roll the dice last cash stuffing and I did $11, which is a nice amount. So I'm actually going to write that down here. Roll the dice. And that is 11. Okay, so I need to subtract the 180 and then the 11. Okay, and then 100 envelope. Usually on my YouTube paychecks, because I've been doing really well with those, I have a little bit more money. So I'm actually going to do one of the high amounts, which is 94. So 100 envelope is 94. And then I have, okay, this one right here is the 52-week challenge. I only have 2 more left in this challenge and then I'm done. So I plan on just finishing this challenge off, and that way I can use this money and put it towards a couple of envelopes. So this one I have 20 and 10, so I'm going to do 30 in the 52 week. 30 minus 30. Okay, so that's 1501 left. And then these I will handle later, but I do have my Go Wild envelopes. I'm gonna do, I have 2025. I'm gonna do 40. Right now I'm just saving towards this. I've already paid for my ticket for this event, and then also my I booked my flight. So now I'm just saving for the money that I'm gonna need when I spend on the trip in April. So I have time to collect money. So that's gonna be $40 here. Minus 40. Okay, and that is it for this binder. Now I can move into these other ones. Let's do this one first. Okay. So I like to prioritize a couple envelopes in here first. The first one is extra debt. So since I have a little bit more, and I know I could take this and just pay off my credit card, but I'm choosing just to do it this way. So, we all make decisions in our lives, and this is what I'm deciding to do. But I'm almost done paying off my last credit card, so I'm super proud of myself for that. So, and I spent like so many years, before I started this system, I spent a good amount of time dumping money into my debt because I had a lot of debt. And to be down to like the amount that I'm at right now is just so nice that I can like breathe, which is really good, because I was like drowning in credit card debt. It was ridiculous. So I do prioritize this, but I'm doing it at my own pace. But I've been doing pretty good. So I feel like in the next few months I'll have this paid off, which is really nice. All right, so extra debt is going to get 200. Extra debt, 200 for this stuffing. And then the other one is treat yourself, which this is something I'm paying myself back for in my savings account. I'm almost done with this one too. So this one's gonna get 200 as well. 200. Okay, now I can just move on to the other ones. Auto repair. I'm just gonna do 60 in auto repair. I have 390. I'm gonna do 60. Christmas is gonna get 40. Electronics, I'm gonna do 60 in this one. And for me, like, honestly, I kind of just do it like what feels right. I know which ones I want to like put more money into and which ones aren't as much of a priority. So like the higher amounts will go to like more the higher priority, and then the lower amounts are like just to get something in them. So that's kind of how I do it. It's just kind of on the fly too. I just kind of look at what I have, and then I figure what I'm going to do in the moment. So it works for me. That's how I've been doing it. Emergency, I have 725, so I'm actually going to do 100. I'm trying to get this one to 1,000. So I'm just going to do 100 for this one. Okay, I already did that one. Furniture, I have 50, so I'm just going to make this into 100. So that's going to get 50. Gifts, 65, so I'm going to make that into 100 as well. So that's 45. Rainy day has 60, so I'll put 40. And this is another thing I do sometimes is I just like, oops, no. I always forget which button tonight. Okay, minus 40. Okay, I need to double check the numbers. But I usually sometimes we'll just like add enough so that way it's a certain amount. Like these, I'm just trying to make, I'm putting whatever I need to make 100. So that's another way that I figure out amounts that I put into my envelopes. So I double checked my amounts. I'm good right now. Everything is correct. Okay, so that one's done. Road trip has 60, so I'm gonna do 40. I'm actually going out of town this weekend, so that'll help with that. Scentsy, I'm just gonna do 20. This is not a huge priority for me, so that one's gonna get 20. Okay, subscriptions, I'm gonna do 55. 55? No, actually, yeah, 55. 55, fine. Subscriptions, 55. And then that one's done. Okay. I think that subscription one, I'm trying to do a Canva, like the year-long annual subscription to that. And I think it's about 120. I still haven't checked. I need to double check on like how much it costs, but that way I don't have to do the monthly payment. I think it's a little bit cheaper if you pay for the year. And I use Canva like every day, so it's definitely something I want to like, it's definitely something I need to have in my life. Beauty, I have $8. I'm gonna put $40 in here. Clothing, I'm gonna do 55 just to make that 100. Content, we're just gonna do 30 in content. Costco has nothing, so Costco is gonna get $50. Disney, I'm actually going to Disney this weekend, so I'm gonna put 80 because I know there's like the Lunar New Year festival is going on over there, so there's a lot of food. So I definitely want to do that this weekend. All right, family is, I'm gonna do 50 in family. Fun has 60, so I'm gonna do 40 in fun. Hobbies, I'm just gonna do 20 in here. Holiday decor, this one's just gonna get 20. Home decor is gonna get, I want to do more for this. I actually want to buy like a new comforter, and I wanted to use this money for that, so I'm gonna do 40 in here. Household is going to get, I only have 5. I'm gonna do 50 because I know I need to buy like some paper goods soon, so I need to stock up on that. And then Target is going to get 40. Minus 40. Okay, and I'm left with 36. Now, I could go back and add some in, but honestly, I think 36 is a good amount to put into some of my savings challenges, because I'm almost done with some. Well, sorry, I'm not done with some. Okay, let me look back in here. So I think, well, this one, I can add to this one a couple, but I also can add to this. I'm almost done with this challenge, and this is like $300. So I think that'll be a good amount for this challenge. So I'm gonna do savings, 36 here. Okay, and then that should be all the money that I am stuffing for the week. Now what I'm gonna do is figure out the denominations for all of this cash that I'm gonna be pulling from the bank. So auto repair, and I just try to do like the highest denominations, like the least amount of denominations that I could do. So this one's 60, so I'm gonna do a 50 and a 10. Christmas is 42. Electronics is 60. Emergency is 100, so I'm just gonna do a $100 bill. Extra debt is 200. Furniture is 50. Gifts is 45, so that's 20, 45. Rainy day is 40. Road trip is 40. Scentsy is 20. Subscriptions is 50, so that's a 50 and a 5. Treat yourself is 200. Beauty is 40, so that's 2 20s. Clothing is 55. Content is 30, so 20 and a 10. Costco is 50. Disney is 80. This is the only one I'm not going to do, like 50 and like the 10, the larger denominations or the least amount. I'm just going to do 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Family is 50. Fun is 2 20s. Hobbies is a 20. 20 over here. Home decor is 2 20s. Household is a 50. Target is 40. Go Wild, 40. Roll the dice is 11, so that's 10, 11. 100 envelope is 94. So that's a 50, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. 52 week is 30, 20 and a 10. And savings, okay, so 36. Is that 12? Actually, let me double check this, sorry. I don't know how many I have left here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, I can knock out a good amount there. But I think, I think I just want to do, since I won't be able to finish it, and I will have ones from my wallet, I think I might be able to add in here. So I'm just going to do 10 and 5, so 2 10s, and then I'll do 26 and 1s. Okay, I think that works. Okay, so now I have to count all of this and hope that it matches at the end. That's always my favorite part. So hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20s, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 10s, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1s, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 36. Okay, so this is 500. We have 500. 20 times 32 is 640, and then 110. And then 30 and 36. So 500, 500, 640, 110, 30, and 36. Yes, perfect. 18, 16. Okay, so let me get my little, I have like sticky notes here. And this is just what I give them, the teller. So I'm just going to write 100. I need 5 of those. 50s, I need 10. 20, I need 32. 10s, I need 11. 5s, I need 6. And 1s, 36. So that's a total of 18, 16 that I will be pulling out of the bank. All right, so that is it for this video. That is my cash planning for the week. Again, thank you so much for watching, especially if you watch to the very end, because that's even better and helps me out so much. So I really, really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you again for this, because this is another amazing YouTube paycheck. So I really appreciate it. But I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next video.